Alright, welcome to this video. In this particular video, I'll walk you through on how you can set up your TradingView for your technical analysis. How to first, how to download it. I'm currently on Google Play Store. You can do that same on your Apple Store. How you can download TradingView, how you can set it up for your analysis. So here you go, make sure you are in search, then you search for TradingView, click on search. So let me use my keyboard, TradingView. So this is it here. It has popped up. So you're going to select the first one here. They are all the same. So TradingView, already I have it on my phone, so I think all I need there to do is to update. I know I need to update it. So okay, it's even updated. So but what you're going to see at this very place is install, right? So mine is installed. So click on install. After installing, then you're going to click on open. So when you open it, you will need to sign up. So you can sign up using your Google account, which is your email. So I'm using Google. I click on Google. So I'll need to choose the account that I have not used before. So let me use this particular James FS 010. So you will need to agree and share, because they will have access to your, so whichever one, you can type your email below. You can just type email, but I'm just clicking on the email to sign up immediately. Alright, so this is my TradingView, and this is a new account I just registered. And if you look here, you're going to see there are a lot of okay, let it load first. So at this point, you see is just, this is pure new account that I just created. So the first thing you will need to do here is to come, the first thing you need to do is to come to this setting icon below here. So you click on setting, then you just scroll down on these options, go to more settings, and when you come to more settings, you go to this candlestick here. You go to this candlestick here first to turn this first. So leave the red as it is, so go to the green, turn it to blue, turn the green to blue. So I'm using this particular blue. So that is the body. So I'll go to the borders. I'll still put the same blue color, and I'll go to the wick. I still put the same blue color. Alright, so and as you can see here, so I'll need to scroll down to save. Alright, so I click on OK. So as you can see here, the color of my chart has changed. So I'll need to come to this very point first. Let me come to this apple here. So that is where I put, or you just come to watch. Okay, just click on the apple, so that you can put the coin. That is where you can select the particular coin you want to trade. So let me type SPX USD, SPX USDT. So let me allow it to search. So it has come out. So what I'm going to do now is to scroll down. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to select. Now here you are going to see different exchanges. You're going to see this is Bybit Spot, right? So this one is Corner. So I'm looking for Bybit futures. So though I can still use that particular Bybit. So this is Bybit futures. So I'm going to select, add it in watch list by clicking on this plus icon, and I will add it in my watch list. So here you can just add all the coins you want to trade or you would like to. So let me put 2 USD. So I've put 2. So let me go to, let me select Bybit. Okay, so this is it here. So I will add it by clicking on this plus icon. You can see the plus icon here. So I have added this. So which other coin I would like to add here? Let me add Solana USD. So I will scroll down, keep scrolling down till I get to Solana Bybit spot. I can still put it because it's still the same trading chart. So I've seen this, so I'll click on the plus icon here to plus it. Now I'm done with the list of coins that I want to add. So let me go here to, let me click on this particular watch list. So look at where I clicked. So I clicked on this watch list. I will need to remove some of these coins that I don't like. This I don't want it, so I'll scroll down and remove, delete. I don't want NDQ. I'll scroll down and I will remove. So the only coin that I want to see here is the coins that I selected. So all of these coins that are here, I don't want them, so I'm going to remove all of them, right? All of them. Alright, so I'm done removing all those, the ones that I don't want. So these are the ones that I want to leave here. So I will go to chart. So you go to chart, here. So let me move this to scroll down to SU or Solana. Let me move to Solana. Alright, you can see the chart has been as now like a pro. You understand? So let me, alright, so you see it's now a good one. It makes sense more than before, right? So here all you need, if you want to switch to any coin you want to analyze, just come to this point. You can just click on it, or you just drag it. Once you drag it, you'll be able to push it. Let me push it to SU. Is now on SU. Alright, so it's now on SU, so I'll leave it, right? So that is how to go about that. So let me continue. So here we are in Solana, right? So still here. So the next thing you will need to do is to click on this particular icon here, this pen icon. So click on it. Now you're clicking on it to add the tools you will use in analyzing the market. The first one you need to add is trend line. So you click on trend line. So click on hold. Click and hold. You see this star? Just click on the star. It's now favorite. It's now on your screen. But when you touch it, tap, that means you have just selected it. But when you touch and hold, that means you want to add it to the tools there that you want. So you from here, just scroll down. From this point you'll be able to see more. So let's scroll down to add more. So the next one I will select is horizontal line. So I'll click and hold and I'll add it on my favorite. The next one is vertical. This is the vertical, so I'll add it. The next one is horizontal ray. I'll add it. Let me keep scrolling down. The next one I will need to add, I will not use. Okay, so let me keep going down. So long position and short position. Long, this is short and this is long, so add the both. This helps you to know your risk to reward. All right, so I think that that is not all for now, so we need to add, let's scroll down, pick it. Let's keep scrolling. Okay, that is all. Let me check it. I think we have passed it. All right, so rectangle, you need to get it. So I'll add it. I've added it now. So let me pick the next one. The next one I will need to add is price range. I'll add it. The next one I'll need to add, let me scroll up. I'm sure I've not passed it. Alright, so the next one is part. This part, click and hold and add. So that is all for now. So let's go back to our screen. So as you can see here, they are all here listed here. You can see, so you can just choose anyone you want to use at the very moment and make use of it. So let's say, for example, our chart is on 1 day, so let's put the chart. So you select your time frame. That is another thing. Go to day, 1 day. So let's click on 1 day. On 1 day. So here you'll be able to select, look at the time frames you need to select here. The time frames you need to select here, these seconds, this is minutes. So come to minutes, select 5 minutes, select 1 minute, select 5 minutes, select 15 minutes, select, go to hour, select 1 hour, select 4 hours, go to day, day is okay. Select 1 month. That is all. So that is all. Add custom interval. No, so we are done with that. So here, when you come to this day 1 here, 1 day, you can be able to scroll the same way you scroll the particular coin. So let's put it in 4 hours. Right, is in 4 hours, so we can be able to make use of our trend line. So let's use a trend line, which is trend line. You can see it. So let's make use of it. Yes, is here. So I'll be able to draw something like this. Very good. All right, you can see it. So this is my trend line. So at this point, I can still take another trend line from here. Let me put it here. I can do another trend line like this. All right, so this is it. Now let's use this particular one, the second one. Then you can use it to get the price. If you want to do what is it called, if you want to do if you want to mark price, we call this psychological level. So psychological level, we are going to come to that. So I'll put it on 180. So let me place it there. Then I'll be able to double tap on the trend line, on the line, and put it on 180.00, just random 180. So it's now 180. So we are going to talk more of this as we proceed on our class, right? So this one is horizontal. You'll be able to place something like this, you see. Then this one, you are starting it from, let's say I'm starting it from here, I'll just place it here, and that is all. And this is long position, I think. Yes, this is long position. How do you use this? Let's say, for example, you are predicting price to go up. Now you moved your long position to this place. So let me explain these two parts. This one in green is telling you, is showing the profit when the profit you make, and the one on red is the loss you will take if it goes against you. So let me put it here in the recent low and target where am I targeting? 1 to 2. If it's not 1 to 2, I'm not going. So 1 to 2, this is 1 to 2.9. So it's still fair. Let me just leave it like that. Now this is it. So I'm expecting price to move from where it is to this very point, and if I'm risking $10, I have made $20. You understand? So that is the work of that. And this one is short, so you place it here. For example, you want price to go down, you place it here and you say, okay, price is not going to come to this end, but it's going to go from where it is down to this very end with 1 to 2. So here I have, if I'm risking $10, this point I have made $20. So that is the use of this. And this one is to identify a ranging market by placing it in that particular ranging place. You understand? So let's just take let's use it in a place where market was ranging. Let me go back. Okay, at this point that market was ranging just in between here and here, so we can put it like this. You understand? Though it's not, it's range, so let's just put it this way. Then see what market did. That particular place was just going in between the rectangle. So the next one is to calculate pips. From here to here is pips. So you just pick it, you leave, you'll be able to calculate how many pips, right? And this one is to identify recent low and high. So this part is to identify recent low and high. So let's use it. No, let me think. I have put it in a place that I don't want. Okay, so let me use it here. So here I'll use on the part, then click on the part, then I'll be able to bring my distance here, here. So I'll push it up. It reached this place and it came down to this very point, and it moved up here, and it came down to this very point, and it moved up here. So that is how to use this. All right, I think I believe you've gotten value on this particular video. So the next video we'll be talking about the next class we'll take it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and let's continue the class.